All right, Mr. Ramaswamy, thanks so much for joining us and sharing your views with us as well. Well, while we are on the topic of the budget, among the key reforms expected from the Finance Minister are, of course, on taxation matters. While broadening the tax base is essential to improve revenues, experts are saying that implementing the direct tax code and the goods and services tax should be top priorities this time around. They also expect some relief to the common man in terms of lowering the effective tax burden on them.
Particularly the issues are the taking forward the direct tax code, taking forward the goods and service tax, which the agenda has been announced. But unfortunately what has happened in the last 1 year, the movement on these two fronts have not been to that extent which should have been. Goods and service tax continues to be in limbo as it is. On the direct tax codes, one of the major issues, the administrative reforms which are required to be carried forward. In a good system of taxation, I believe there has to be an efficiency in the administration. An efficiency should be taken from both sides, tax collector and the taxpayer, both sides.
Because common man, the average taxpayer, will that person be in the crosshairs of the finance minister?
Two things: provide immediate relief in terms of little bit more disposable income in the hands of the individuals by lowering their effective tax burden and giving them some more income, which is the disposable income in their hands, and ensuring at the same time that on the indirect tax side there is no increased burden, or there is some relief in terms of the essential commodities of day-to-day use.
Atul, from the corporate point of view, what else would the corporate sector be looking forward to?
What they're all looking at is the GST. Clearly they would like to see that the central government is doing their level best to do something towards GST, even if it comes in some kind of a truncated form. The dual GST structure that they talked about earlier does start taking shape. One of the things that they could do is to get the CST rate down to 1%. On the central side, they should try and integrate all the federal taxes towards GST. So that means integrate service tax, integrate the various cesses that we have and the surcharges that we have along with excise duty. So you're looking at a rate which is uniform, at least from the central side. Do away with all those breaks in the CENVAT credit chain that we have, so that the input tax credit are seamless. Clearly these kind of tax rationalization on the indirect tax side would give a huge relief to the corporates.
Well, you can watch the entire debate in a special budget series, The Policy Debates, on Saturday at 8 p.m. and Sunday at 10:30 a.m.
Well, still to come, Mubarak's own men admit Egypt clashes were fatal error. Is the man who reigned Egypt for over 3 decades headed for trouble?
And media mogul Rupert Murdoch brings together journalism with the best of technology. More on that in just a bit.